Every day, we generate waste: plastic bottles, food scraps, paper, and more. What we do with this waste determines the future of our environment. Improper waste disposal leads to pollution, flood, and health risks. Proper waste management begins with segregation at the source. Biodegradable waste can be composted. Recyclables can be processed and reused. Hazardous waste must be disposed of safely. When waste is properly managed, we reduce landfill volume, conserve natural resources, and lower greenhouse gas emissions. It's a simple habit with a powerful impact. As students and future leaders, the responsibility starts with us. Choose to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Proper waste management, act today for a sustainable tomorrow.